Welcome to Gdansk, Poland. Beautiful, colorful houses. Everything here is very beautiful. It's one of the most famous monuments here in Gdansk. Good morning and welcome to Gdansk, Poland. We just arrived yesterday evening and got up very early this morning. So today we are about to go and explore this marvelous city here at the Baltic Sea. Gdansk has about 500,000 inhabitants, so it is the sixth biggest city here in Poland. Let's see what Gdansk has to offer for us today. The street with these colorful houses is called Dlugi, Targ. Me in Polish, that's not coming to a happy end these days. Yeah, I've heard of it before, but couldn't imagine of this beautiness over here. So it's freezing this morning. Yeah. Very cold actually. Yeah, so we got 2 degrees or something. No snow. This is the Mariacka, so Mariacka street, and it's also a very famous street here in Gdansk. It's a cobbled pedestrian promenade with amber merchants and historical building with beautiful terraces.
Shops and restaurants in the basement. It's cool.
North Amber Road. What you see over there is the St. Mary's Church or St. Mary's Basilica, and it's one of the most famous monuments here in Gdansk, and it's a very beautiful one. Also has an astronomical clock, I think.
Cool.
And so we will go around. They believe it's the biggest brickstone church in the world. Yeah, it has 36 windows, and this church can hold 25,000 people, which is like a lot of people. So that's like a stadium.
Wow.
Yeah, like a stadium in the second division of football. Formerly, the St. Mary's Church is called the Basilica of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary. That's a name, eh?
Wow.
Let's talk about the money game here in Poland. Here you got the Polish zloty, and compared to the euro, it's quite cheap. Now it's time to grab some breakfast.
Yes.
We are going to
Pancake. Yes.
And grab some pancakes. Yes.
Coffee with free refill.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, cool.
For 1 zloty, so that's 20 cents.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the prices there, quite cheap. Chicken ciabatta, it's 5 euros. And bagel, not even 5 euros. Pancake is like about 4 euros. So this is the Gdansk main town hall. It's a historical town hall in the main city of Gdansk, and Gothic Renaissance historical building located at the crossroad of the Long Lane and Long Market in the most notable part of the city. Houses the historical museum of Gdansk, and I think you can also go up there.
In winter the tower is closed. It's only the museum.
In winter the tower is closed. Ah, but when is winter season?
Now? In December maybe?
Yeah, probably.
Let's have a look and go inside. How much did we pay?
36 zloty.
Yeah,
That's
60 per person.
yeah, no, 32 zloty. That's 6 euros, 5 euros.
Yeah, that's okay.
So quite cheap,
Yes.
yeah. Next to town hall, in the middle of the city center, is the Neptune fountain. Yes. What do you think? How long is this Christmas tree standing over there?
I think till
The 1st,
no
New Year's Eve.
6th of January.
Are you ready for some pierogi?
Yes.
This is a very popular restaurant here in Gdansk. So, yeah,
They got
people are waiting here.
pierogi in all styles and variations.
Yeah, very cool. And yeah, so we got a reservation, but it's very crowded. I ordered myself 5 different boiled pierogi, and you got 3 baked pierogi, different
Oven
types.
baked.
Yes, and it's also very busy over here, so
You
always
need a reservation.
always make sure to make a reservation for this. Cheers.
Starter.
Boiled pierogi, 2 with pork, 1 vegetarian, 1 sweet, and 1 with cheese. And you got some baked pierogi with
Duck.
duck, roasted duck.
Yes.
Yeah, it was roasted duck. Yeah.
Yeah. One with onion and potato, and one with cheese.
Oh, they're very good, yeah? They're very good, yeah? So this is pork. Ooh. Pork is also very good. A lot of cheese in it. Wow. Oh, I think cheese is my favorite. Definitely very good. And it's quite cheap actually, so 5 dumplings is round about, what is it? Like 7 euros, 6 euros. That's okay. And it's very delicious so far. So make sure to come here and get yourself some pierogi. As you can see, we are in the Ferrys Wheel, and from here you get a very good view over whole Gdansk, and you can see the over there you can see the seaport, so it's the biggest one in all of Poland. Gdansk, definitely one of the most beautiful places here in Poland, and for sure always worth a visit.
For 126 kilogram, 12.60. How much
So
is it?
it's probably like 126 grams. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Very beautiful city, and that was a lovely day. So hopefully see you guys tomorrow.